One slip of this front wheel, and there is a 2,000-foot vertical free fall into pure fog.
This is Bolivia's North Yungas Road, a single unpaved pass that has claimed thousands of lives. Every bend is marked by crosses and the rusted metal of vehicles that didn't make the turn.
Blind corners, zero guardrails, and oncoming traffic. Would you dare to ride this to the very end? The 40-mile descent kicks off right here, plunging straight from the high mountain ridge into the clouds. Within minutes, the trail narrows sharply as you plunge directly into the thick Amazon cloud forest. From above, you realize there is literally zero margin for error. One wrong twitch of the bars means game over. Natural waterfalls dump tons of water straight onto the road, turning the already deadly ledge into pure mud. From above, you realize there is literally zero margin for error. One wrong twitch of the bars means game over. By local law, downhill riders must keep strictly to the left, forcing you directly onto the edge of the abyss.
Squeeze the brakes too hard and you skid out. Don't squeeze enough and you fly right over the side.
Dozens of blind hairpin turns zigzag down the canyon wall, each one tighter and steeper than the last. And the road never stays the same. Constant landslides and falling rocks can wipe out the trail without warning.
Ahead lies the infamous San Juan Pass, where a roaring curtain of mountain water blasts straight across your path. For 3 terrifying seconds, your vision is completely wiped out as freezing water pounds your helmet.
Punching through the falls, straight into the warm Amazon sun.
Over 11,000 feet of pure vertical drop, carving through one of the most extreme landscapes on the planet. As the trail flattens out in the valley of Coroico, the lethal cliffs finally give way to solid ground.
40 miles of sheer chaos. And you just survived.
Would you dare to ride this edge? Drop a comment and subscribe for the next extreme ride.